Hey, it's Vince Del Monte here, online business coach, and we're just doing some videos down here, promotional videos. And it's pretty cool because what we've discovered this past year is that organic marketing is getting harder and harder. Years ago, you could post a video on Facebook, on YouTube, and you could get a decent amount of views, thousands of views in a short period of time. And these platforms are really throttling your traffic, your organic traffic. Same with Instagram. It's getting harder and harder to get discovered. And we all know that money follows attention. If you don't have attention, you're gonna drift into obscurity. That's the only reason your business will struggle. People don't know who you are, and people forget who you are. So, there's two pieces to that. We need to be advertising on these platforms with paid ads, and that's what we're doing down here today. We're shooting promotional videos that drive people to our application page for our 7-figure mastermind. And then from there, I jump on the phone with individuals who are interested, and we invite them to the mastermind, and there's a fee for that, and then there's a fee to join the coaching program at that event, and that's our monetization model. It is super, super simple. We have a promo ad to an application page with social proof, and then there's a phone call, and that's it. And then we have a follow-up system for people that aren't ready to make the decision on the call. And what we've learned this past year is that you need to start investing into paid ads. You've got to pay to play. And that doesn't mean you got to start doing $1,000 a day. You will get there, but even starting off with $5 a day. And guys, this all comes down to belief, right? If you're like, yeah, but I don't have the money. That's the point. It has nothing to do with money. It has to do with courage. If you truly believe in your message, do you not believe that if more people hear your message, more people will buy your stuff? So why wouldn't you invest into yourself? If you don't invest into yourself, who are you going to invest into? The banks, right? They're not going to get you rich. Your boss, he's not going to get you rich. His job's to give you a paycheck. The number one thing you need to invest in is yourself, and to get more people to discover you. So this all comes down to belief. So I want to encourage you to get a coach who can start guiding you through the process of running paid advertising. Even if it's on a small scale, we're going to ensure first you're in the position to run ads. Not everybody's ready to run ads. You first need a high converting offer. See, when people go to our application page and fill it out, it asks some very specific questions. So when I get on the phone with you, I know you're serious. And if you read each and every word of it, you'll even find out the price of the mastermind. So I don't get tire kickers on the phone, right? Really, when people get on the phone with me, they just have to ask me some questions they have about like what's involved, what do I get, stuff like that. And most people come on the call and they say, hey man, you don't need to sell me, I'm already sold. I just need to know, how do I pay? And that is what I want to help you do with your promotional videos, with your content. So by the time people get to your application page, fill it out, and get on the phone with you, they're ready to go. We don't hard sell. All we do is help you make the right decision for your right life. And that's what good people do. I don't want someone in my coaching program who's not ready to take massive action. I've got to protect the reputation of the group. One bad apple can ruin the whole thing. So when I'm on the phone, I'm seeing if you're a good fit for our group. And that's the God's honest truth. Imagine I started bringing in, 6 out of 10s into the group, and then all my top students are like, Vinny, who are these guys? Why are these people coming to your mastermind? These guys aren't serious, they're fanboys. These are overnight sensations. They're never going to be successful. So I have to protect who comes in. And this all comes down to being confident in what you have. Your business has to be positioned in a way where people have to qualify to come into your world. You don't need them. There's 7 billion people in the world. You have to make sure they're ready to go, and they're 10 out of 10. So anyways, the point of this video was to really stress upon you that you need attention, all right? You need to start doing paid advertising, and you need to send all that traffic to an application page or an offer you have that has been tested, optimized, and that's gonna convert, so that when you get the funds, you can reinvest back into the front end so more people discover you, and it's a beautiful cycle. If you'd like help with that, and you're ready to make the leap with your online business, you're tired of staying where you are, you're tired of getting left behind and seeing other people make progress, and you're tired of getting bounced around from idea to idea and not having the impact you know, the contribution you know you can make, then we need to talk. Because I've already helped tons of guys and gals just like you. And if I don't think I can help you, I'm gonna tell you, because I can't afford to ruin my reputation. All right, so we don't take on people that aren't a good fit. So fill out the application below, and there'll be a lot of questions to find out where you're at, where you wanna go. We'll get on the phone, figure out your millionaire math, figure out your millionaire path, and then we'll see if you're a good fit to come join us in New York City, or just jump right into the coaching program. We'll see which one makes sense for you, and we'll go from there. I look forward to talking to you. Have a great rest of your day.